cleanest baby's bottom.
What's the chicken doing,
I
dude?
lick your foot.
What's she doing? What's she doing? Is she licking your foot? What is she doing?
I lick your foot.
I've warned you about this chicken. He's gonna squeeze your face right off. Is that funny? Is that funny?
Just make sure he washes his hands before he puts them back in his mouth.
Hello.
Yeah, she's still getting squeezed. She's
Yeah.
still licking his feet.
She's got to be getting her hair ripped out. Oh, what is it?
No, she's gonna lick herself. To his arm. She was also licking my sock.
Yes, she also likes to eat poop. Hopefully not recently.
Buster,
She
I
also
can see
licks
you.
the couch. Like Piggy.
She licks everything. Oh, you want to share toys? You share toys?